this question is very similar to the question in the previous video. We are asked to find the coefficient of x squared in the expansion of x plus 3 over x, the whole thing, power 4. In the previous video we learned that the term independent of x is the term without x. So basically we are finding the term which doesn't have x. That was the previous video. Here we are finding the term that has x squared. So it's very similar to the previous video. All you need to do is just understand what the question is asking. So let's start by expanding x plus 3 over x power 4. We will be using the binomial expansion method because it's much easier. So this is the same as x power 4 plus 4 choose 1 x cubed times 3 over x plus x plus 4 choose 2 x power 2 3 over x squared plus 4 choose 3 x power 1 into 3 over x cubed plus 3 over x power 4. I've just expanded this by use of the binomial theorem. Now we need to find the term that has x squared. So the term with x squared is basically the answer, and the coefficient is the number before the x squared. So let's think about this. If we multiply the first term, we get x power 4, but that's not x squared, yeah? So we can't do that. Let's look at the second one. 4 choose 1 times x cubed divided by x. So x cubed divided by x, which gives you x squared. So yes, this is one thing which we'll be looking at. So we'll have to use this. Let's move on to the next one. X squared divided by x power 4. That gives me 1 over x squared, not x squared. We're looking at x squared, not 1 over x squared. So this one will still remain. This one, cross that out. For this one, it's gonna be x divided by x cubed. So that's also 1 over x squared. So x divided by x cubed is 1 over x squared. So again, this leave it, and this is gonna be with x power 4. So leave that out. So this is the only term which we'll be looking at. 4 choose 1 into x cubed into 3 over x. What is 4 choose 1? 4 factorial over 4 minus 1 factorial into 1 factorial. This is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 divided by, this is 3 factorial. So that's 3 times 2 times 1 because 1 factorial is 1. This goes with that, so it's 4 divided by 1, which is 4. So 4c1 is 4. So this is how we'll do it. So it's going to be 4 into x cubed into 3 over x. This will go with that. This will go with that to give me x squared. So this becomes x squared, and then I'll have 4 times 3 x squared. So that gives me 12x squared. Therefore, the coefficient of the x squared term in this expansion is actually going to be 12. So therefore 12 is my answer, because I have compared terms and I've seen which expansion gives me the one of x squared, and therefore I'll be expanding till x squared so I can get my coefficient of x squared, which is 12.